Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Congratulations as ultimate love couple Iykeresa bags their first endorsement deal. Ultimate love reality show first runner-up Ikenna Uri Nnama, known as Iyke, and Dr. Theresa Ugorji, known as Theresa, has just secured their first endorsement deals as couples. The couples, who were branded Iykeresa from the show, have been thrilling and boozing fans on internet with lots of romance and lovely photos of them since they left the show. Iyke today was observed on his official Instagram page at Iyke Nnama as he revealed the information of them securing their first deal through a lovely photo and video accompanied with a caption. In the caption he wrote, "Hey families, we are pleased to announce our partnership with Old Majesty. We are very passionate about forming long-time relationship and a lot of work has been put into this project. We can't wait to share with you what we have in store." However, their fan base, known as Diamonds, quickly took to their page to identify with them and also congratulate them. If you're a true fan of Iykeresa, please send in your congratulatory messages by leaving a message in the comment section below. And if this is your first time viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops. Thank you.